everyone! This is again Lizelle, and for today's basic cooking is gagawa tayo ng isang napakasimple at napakasarap na chicken wing recipe na may Coca Cola. Okay, so tara! So, yung unang-unang gagawin natin is i-marinate muna natin yung ating chicken. Ilalagay muna natin yung ating minced garlic or yung fresh garlic at saka yung ating toyo. So, mas matagal siyang gawin guys or mas matagal siyang i-marinate, mas okay. After minimum of 10 minutes na na-marinate na yung chicken, so kailangan natin siyang i-pre-cook guys para mawala yung excess fats ng chicken at saka yung kanyang langsa. So maximum lang din ng mga 3 minutes each side at saka i-flip lang din natin. Alright? Once done na yung pagpipikok ng chicken is magigisa na tayo ng onion at garlic sa isang malinis na pan. Pero since hindi ako gagamit ng fresh onion at garlic, so ilalagay na natin diretso yung chicken sa isang pan at saka yung coke. Okay? After that is maglalagay na din tayo ng tomato sauce or ketchup. At saka yung konting teriyaki sauce. Alright, so pampadagdag lang to ng lasa guys. Okay? And then, isunod na din natin yung ating asin at saka yung paminta. And since hindi ako gumamit ng fresh garlic at onion, gagamit ako ng onion powder at saka yung garlic powder. Ihalo lang natin siya guys and then takpan lang hanggang mag-boil. Okay? So guys, from time to time is kailangan lang natin siyang ihalo or i-flip yung chicken para din ma-absorb lahat ng or nung buong chicken yung lasa ng coke. Okay? By the way guys, for the exact measurements for all the ingredients for this recipe is ilalagay ko po sa description ng video na to. Nasa ibaba lang po siya. Okay? So actually guys, it will take mga 20 minutes maximum para lutuin yung dish na to. Pero depende po talaga sa stove nyo kung gaano kalakas mag-produce ng apoy. As you can see guys, is parang nagda-dark brown na yung ibang party ng manok habang fini-flip ko sila. So, yan yung kulay ng manok na kailangan natin i-achieve. Okay? So, maximum of mga 20 minutes lang po talaga para gawin tong recipe na to. So, hindi po kayo magsisisi guys kasi napakasarap po niya, napakasimple at of course, napaka-affordable din po. So, keep stirring lang po guys kung sa tingin nyo po is okay na, and at that time na po sa maximum ng 20 minutes, luto na po talaga yung chicken na yan. So, if you think na okay na din yung lasa, then ready na siyang i-serve! Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you are interested to try this recipe, please hit like or leave some comments below. And yep, I really hope that you will try this one, hindi po kayo magsisisi. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a good day. Bye!